Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to install HyperX Cloud 3 drivers in just a few simple steps. So let's get started. First off, go ahead and pull up any browser and then look for HyperX Ingenuity. Then you want to click on this official link, which will lead to their website. From here, you want to scroll down a bit and choose to download Ingenuity. Download this one and wait for the download to finish. Once done, you want to open this file. And from here, you want to click I agree and start installation. Once done, you want to plug in your HyperX Cloud 3 headset. And when asked, you want to update the firmware, which will take about 5 to 10 minutes, after which I highly recommend restart your computer. And basically, that's it. Now you know how to install HyperX Cloud 3 drivers in just a few simple steps. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!